Today is June 23rd, 2017, Friday. And I'm going to start working on this clock. It's a vintage Coca-Cola clock, kind of heavy. It's got one inner ring, another ring outside, and then this one. All of them are going to be replaced. They're very old. And then inside, the transformer is very old, and it hums like crazy. So I'm going to replace the transformer also, and I'm going to put a switch and replace the power cord. So this is the next job, and I like this type of jobs because, first of all, they're interesting, not boring, and it's a vintage clock. I don't know the year. Must be the 50s, probably. Collectors are the best clients you could have. The only thing is that you have to follow their instructions exactly. If they don't want something replaced with something modern, you don't do it. You have to keep it as original as possible. So I'll be putting more videos as I go along on this job. Today, for now, this is the only thing I can put. A very interesting Coca-Cola neon clock.